Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to peel a ginger root. And I was surprised that not too many people know about this. The people that cook and doesn't know how to peel a ginger root, you use a knife when you can use something simpler and safer. And what you use is a spoon. That's all you need, a spoon to peel off the skin. Here's how you do it. Don't use this one, but use the spoon. There's the spoon. Just see, you put your hand like that and it peels up. Peels up easily. You don't have to use a peeler either. You just use the spoon. Simple. Safer. You don't get cut. See? Look like something kinky here. Anyway, this is how you peel a ginger root. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.